make a paste out of organic flour separately, and then add boil it a little bit so it becomes kind of thick. Then you add cold water to make it liquidy, more liquidy. Then you add
food coloring.
On food colorings, all kind, and then use organic celery, believe it or not. Then you paint, and then you can even eat it. I don't think that food coloring is organic, but other than that, everything is fully organic and fully edible.
But this part of the celery.
Yeah, that part of the celery you can eat. That's right. There you go.